Hello and welcome to video 11 of Waqar Teaches. This is sample exam question 11, which deals with percent change. This is chapter 6, lesson 4, which is on page 270. When we're working out the percent error, like this question asks us to do, there's a simple way to do it. We follow this formula. We have percent error is equal to amount of error divided by the actual value. And then we multiply this by 100. Okay, now what does this mean? This means that the number that you thought was the real number, how far is that from the real number, the actual real number? And then we divide that by the actual value. So here we have the amount of error is actually the difference between the number that you thought and the real number. And then you divide that by the real number. Let's have a look at the question, and hopefully that'll help you understand it a little bit better. Okay, so question 11 says if the estimated distance is 60 kilometers and the actual distance is 75 kilometers, what is the percent error? So here we have the estimated distance, which is 60 kilometers, the actual distance, which is 75 kilometers. The question is asking what is the percentage error. So as you know, if we go back to the formula, we have percentage error is equal to the amount of error. We'll have a look at that next. Amount of error divided by the actual value. So the actual value here we know is 75 kilometers. And then we always multiply this by 100. Now, how do you work out the amount of error? You do this by subtracting the estimated, there should be a T here, distance. You do this by subtracting the estimated value and the actual value. Okay, so 60 minus 75 is equal to minus 15, but this is the usual absolute value of this, so it's equal to 15. Now what did I just do there? I took the estimated distance and I subtracted the actual value. So the estimated value subtract by the absolute value, but we don't want it as a negative. We just want it as a positive. So we use the absolute value of this to get this. So now let's go back to the formula and put in the amount of error into the formula. So we have, into the equation, sorry, we have 15 over 75 times 100, and this is equal to 0.2 times 100, which is equal to 20%. Okay, and if we have a look, this is answer choice D. Right. If you have any questions about this, especially about how to find out the amount of error, please leave a comment after the video and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you.